Now, we can say, let's start with this, or we can copy all this, right? And then you copy this one. Remember, this is we are importing .env from .env. We have not installed it. That's why it is highlighted red. It shows there's an error. And also the .env config, we are bringing it from wherever it is. Then we import pg. It's another error. That means there is no pg installed. And we have this const global for db. This actually means you store something which is in global, yes, underscore pg. So this means is like you are storing this data in global somewhere where it is not a must when the previous call is made. It is not going to pull requests from the database, but it will be held somewhere so that it can be just pulled right away if it is not transferred. If it is available in the it like cache, something like that. So here we have also these. We are making the new pg poll, and we are polling this user and host and name and password and print. It is a number, so this is not print, sorry, port is a number like that. And then we check if process dot is not env is production. If it's production, we give global like that. It take from global, and if it's not, it takes from this local host of our pg, which is Postgres. All right, so let's explain it further using AI.